Anytime you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. But take a look. In this fraction, in the numerator, I have 3. In this fraction, in the denominator, I have 9. Okay, anytime you have a situation like this, before you are going to perform the multiplication, you're supposed to reduce the fractions first. And you can do this reduction only for multiplication. You cannot use this procedure when you're doing addition, subtraction, or division. You can do this only for multiplication. Okay? 3 is divisible by 3 and 9 is divisible by 3. So that's why I'm going to divide 3 by 3 and 9 I'm going to also divide by 3. So my problem is going to look like this. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. 7 stays the same, times 4 over 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. Now I can perform the multiplication. 1 times 4 gives me 4. 7 times 3 gives me 21. This is the solution to my problem.